friends! Today we're going to talk about gratitude. Gratitude can make you feel happier and can help you appreciate the small things in your life. By the end of this video, you will learn 3 important things about gratitude. What is gratitude? Why practice gratitude? And 9 ways to develop the attitude of gratitude. What is gratitude? Gratitude is when you feel thankful for something or someone in your life. It's also when you share how thankful or grateful you are with others. Another word for gratitude is appreciation. Gratitude is a wonderful quality that everyone can develop. Why practice gratitude? Research shows that when gratitude is practiced regularly, it has many long-lasting benefits to your physical health, mental health, and relationships. The physical health benefits of gratitude are that it helps strengthen your heart and immune system, which can help you live a longer and healthier life. The mental health benefits of gratitude are that it helps you feel happier, calmer, and more positive. The relationship benefits of gratitude are that it helps you be more caring, patient, and forgiving, which can result in less conflict and better relationships with everyone around you. Now that you know some of the benefits of gratitude, here are 9 simple activities you can do to develop the attitude of gratitude. Number 1, show appreciation. A simple way of showing gratitude is by noticing what other people do for you. Show appreciation by saying thank you or doing nice things for others. If someone helps you, pay it forward by helping someone else. Number 2, savor the small things. Don't just gloss over the many beautiful, fun, or positive things that come your way. You can always find something to be thankful for if you focus on the small things. It might be as small as being grateful for the morning sunrise, or the unique-looking tree you see on your way to school, or the meal that your mom cooks for you, or the clothes you get to wear today. Number 3, daily gratitude journal. Take a moment to write down 2 to 3 things you are grateful for each day. Studies have shown that the more often you write in a gratitude journal, the more positive benefits you receive. Keep your journal by your bed so you can remember to fill it out each night before you fall asleep. Number 4, gratitude jar. Get a clear jar and decorate it with art supplies to make it special and unique. Every day for 1 month, write 1 or more things you are grateful for on a strip of paper and put them in the jar. At the end of the month, read each paper and discuss with your family. Whenever you're having a bad day, read each strip of paper from your jar to remind yourself about reasons to be thankful and happy. Number 5, replace a negative thought with a grateful thought. Anytime you have negative thoughts or emotions about something in your life, replace the negative thought with a positive gratitude affirmation. For example, maybe you're worried that you will make tons of mistakes during the upcoming school play, and everyone in the audience will laugh at you. Replace your worry thought with thoughts of current or future gratitude, such as, I'm thankful for the support of my family and friends, no matter how many mistakes I make. Or, I'm thankful for a successful and fun performance that makes the audience smile. Number 6, ask yourself, what can I learn? It can be very hard to be thankful when you're having a bad day. The next time you're going through a difficult moment, ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? When you seek the valuable lesson in every setback or failure, it helps you to look at the situation in a more positive light. You can then focus your mind on being thankful for the opportunity to learn and grow. Number 7, write a gratitude letter. Write a gratitude letter to a person in your life who you admire or who you've never properly thanked. You can get an extra boost if you deliver the letter to your special person. Number 8, heart-centered gratitude meditation. Practice the following 3 steps for this meditation exercise. Focus your attention on your heart. Place your hand on your heart if it helps you focus on this area. Take slow, deep breaths and imagine you are breathing through your heart. Breathe in for 4 to 6 seconds and out at the same pace until you get a gentle and calm breathing rhythm. Generate a heart-centered feeling of gratitude and appreciation for something in your life. Continue to focus your mind on this positive feeling or thought for 3 to 5 minutes. Number 9, gratitude walk. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes to take a walk outside. As you walk, notice as many positive things around you as you can. These can be sights, sounds, smells, or other sensations. Be grateful for all the small details around you. Focus your attention on these positive things as you walk. By taking a moment to practice one of these 9 gratitude activities each day, we can all have a positive impact on our life and the world around us. Imagine a world where everyone is grateful for the small things, the big things, and everything in between. The world would thrive with good health, happiness, and positive relationships. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more social, emotional, and mental health resources for kids and teens, please visit www.mentalhealthcenterkids.com. Thanks for watching!